apologize. Okay. Okay. One hand, you have the left hand. No, actually, use the torch in the right hand and use the solder in the left hand. Because then you can move the torch around.
How heavy is that?
Really heavy. The torch or the solder?
And then where do you hold the solder when it gets hot?
Right on the crease.
Right on the crease.
Wait, where's the grease?
Right there with the
Right
grease.
on the
Okay.
crack there. And then what I want you to do is watch what happens with the solder.
Okay.
As soon as that gets hot, see what the solder does.
Okay.
Okay?
Burning
Go on the coupling.
Huh?
Go on the coupling.
On the coupling.
You torched the paper.
And you can put the solder on the crack and see if it already does something.
Oh!
Done. See how that went around?